Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to want to do is create a new YouTube channel. Now this requires a Google account, and I recommend making a new Google account for each new YouTube channel that you create, because then if anything happens to a single channel of yours, your other channels will not be affected. So to create a new account, you just click sign in on the top right of YouTube right here, and then you'll be prompted to sign into your Gmail if you already have one, but if you need to create a new one, you can just click create account right there. And then you can just fill everything in here out. You just put in your first and last name, and then you can either put in an email address that you already have, or you can click create a new Gmail instead, because then you can just put in anything and this will be a new email that you create, because you have to create a new Google account, which also comes with a new Gmail. So then you just create a password and then click next. It's pretty self-explanatory. That's how you create a Google account.